Barbara and her family got burnt out in 2020. Her son had come to my office some time ago, and just being in the community, knowing her plight, even though we tried to help her, were able to replace what she had. And this has now become a reality.
The program itself has certain parameters which we use to determine beneficiaries. Clearly, the housing condition has to be of such that it is considered to be substandard. The income of the beneficiary is such that they could not build a house for themselves. The family size is usually large. We do give preference to elderly persons, indigent persons, or families with young children who are going to school. And we also include persons who have lost their homes due to fire or any other form of catastrophe, flooding and so forth. So we are very pleased to be able to respond to your need.
I'm very grateful, thankful for having another roof over my head. Thank you, Mr. President.